Ba 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 ba. It is bush baby gardening from your gardener who does not have a green thumb. My thumb is really yellow because I be struggling with my gardening, but I'm trying. Today we're going to be planting bush cucumber seeds and snowbird peas. Now, when you purchase your cucumber seeds, you want to make sure if they say bush, then you know that you're going to have a plant that's not a tall vining plant. It's growing more like a bush type of condition, whereas your normal cucumber plants that does not say bush, that you can expect that you're going to need to have some sort of a stake or a pole, because those are going to grow really tall vines. We're going to be using these are actually window boxes that I purchased from one of the dollar stores. It was $3. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill holes in order so that the water has somewhere to go. One thing that we want to remember in gardening is the whole idea is to save money. So you don't really have to use really expensive items in order to get your plants going. Like right here, I use a this used to be an M&M bucket. Don't judge me. I jacked them. I tore them peanut M&Ms up. So right here, I'm starting off my my passion flower plants. So once I get some seedlings, and I will transplant those. But so here are my snowbird peas. I put them in water for 30 minutes in order to help them in the germination process, and then I haven't taken out my cucumber seeds yet. I'm just going to put them right into the soil. And again, this is a animal cracker container. This is another bottle that I've been holding on to. I thought it was an interesting shape. So it has a flat side. So I want to also use this to start off some seedlings. So I thought it was a really nice bottle. But like I said, you don't have to spend a lot of money in order to reap the benefits of growing your own garden. Okay? All right. So I'm going to go ahead and drill holes into my containers. So I've punched the holes in my container. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fill my containers with my soil. So what I have here is I have Miracle Grow garden soil for vegetable and herbs, and I'm going to mix in that some peat moss. I want to make sure that my soil is loose enough so that my seeds have a great start in their growing process. You don't want to make it too hard for them to grow up, nor do you want to make it hard for their roots to be able to grasp and gain and have some sort of a structure in the growing process. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put the soil into the container. Okay, so we have our garden soil and our peat moss mix for both of the seeds. Here are the cucumber seeds. Go focus. And I'm just going to simply lay the seeds on top, place the seeds on top, and then I will place about 1 inch worth of soil on top of that and then water them. I'll do the exact same thing for the sweet pea seeds. Now you do have the option of digging holes and putting your seeds down into the hole, but because I purposely left space at the top in order to place my soil so that I wouldn't have to dig down creating a hole in which to place the seeds. Once I lay the top layer of soil, then I'll water the seeds. Okay, so this is how I've laid out my cucumber seeds, and this is how I've laid out my snow pea seeds. Because I have so many snow pea seeds, see, I have some left over. I'm going to actually plant some of them in this tray as well. But so now I'm just going to cover these and then water them, and then add the labels. Okay, so my cucumber seeds and my peas have been planted, have been watered. It's my extra seeds, and once the seedlings start growing out, then I will, every 10 to 15 days, I will fertilize them. Since I have so many extra, once I determine which ones are going to be the strong pea plants, then what I'll do is I'll give some away, because it's no need for me to have like 20 pea vines, and I can't eat that many peas. Well, I guess I could, but I mean, I'll just give some away. So we'll see how they come about. And if I have enough, if I have extras where I can give away, I definitely will be offering them out. All right. So that concludes this episode of Bush Baby Gardening, Peas and Cucumbers. See you guys later.